Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to root your OnePlus Nord 3 5G phone in just one click using the FlasherPro tool developed by our amazing community member Harman Singh. And a special thanks to all the testers who contributed and helped to making this tool better. This tool allows you to root your device as well as flash custom ROMs and stock ROMs too. So here we start. First we download the FlasherPro zip file and then extract it by using WinRAR and then go to FlasherPro and go to custom ROM and then inside the put ROM zip inside you put the ROM which you flashed before in your phone. In my case I flashed the YAP OS, so I put it in it and then back and go to the menu. Here you can see that there are several options are there. So for custom ROM, first you just press 1 and for routing you can press 2. Press any key and then you can see that the tool will transfer necessary modules to your devices. Once that's done, the routing process will start. Now check the kernel issue app on your phone. Here is the app and press enter. And then follow the instructions. Select a file. Go to OnePlus Nord 3 5G and here is a boot image. Just press on it and next. Now press enter. Here the process start. And so wait for it. When you see the fast forward mode, press enter. Now the boot file is extracting in your device. Now wait for reboot. And so we are booting in the system. Now check you are rooted or not. So here you can see that there is a working and you are rooted. Then enter. Continue. Continue. Congratulations, your device is rooted. Continue. Is your device rooted? Yes. And then follow the instruction to open the kernel SU app. Then super users. Then see the shell and grant the permissions. After granting, press enter. And they take up the backup of your EMI number. So now backup is done. Press any key. And so now our phone is rooted. Here you can flash any module like iFlash, iOS emoji module, and reboot. So now boot is done, and here you can see that there is a iOS emojis. These are change into iOS emoji. So thank you guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with more awesome content. So bye.